Next, I want to actually to discuss about Android activities. And activities are one of the 4 components, as we have already discussed. And they have their own life cycle. And usually they are actually used to create different instances in your application. And the major one, which are actually created by default, or in case needed, you can also create them, and are actually the listed one. OnCreate is actually be created by default. OnStart, you can actually add. OnResume, OnRestart, OnPause, OnStop, and OnDestroy are the major Android activities which are actually be used. But as I said, they have their own life cycle, and based on that, then you have to understand what will be actually, who will be executed first, and who will follow the other one. And to do so, then the life cycle diagram will actually show you who is the follower or the predecessor of the other. And OnCreate will be actually be created at the beginning, and it will be executed also whenever the program is actually starting. And then after, OnStart will be actually be created. Once it is activity is created, then OnStart will be activated. And then from all, after that is displayed, then immediately you can, it is already started, but you can actually go into the resume mode if it is actually be resumed, or you can actually from resume to pause it again back to that. And this networking or this life cycle is actually showing how it will actually go from one another, and who will be the predecessor of each of the activity what we have into the Android activities. And furthermore, I want to actually give you some explanation in the following slide. And in this slide, I will actually try to show you the code, the Java code, how it will be created. As we have already said, OnCreate is the major one, and it will be created immediately, and the first will be, this one will be executed. But you can also actually put OnStart, OnRestart, OnResume, OnPause, OnStop, OnDestroy. Each of these activities will be executed in a different state, and clearly understanding will actually give you some highlight to use them later. But in this regard, I have actually tried to display who is following whom in this activity. OnCreate will be in any way will be started at the beginning, and clearly OnCreate is this is OnCreate, and this is OnStart. It means that OnCreate followed by OnStart. OnStart will not be executed before OnCreate, and this is how it will be done. The same is here, and who will be actually be following what. And to do so, you can actually try to use my previous example, and check how it will be actually be happening from one to another. And this way, you can actually see. Means understanding each activity is really important, and pause is actually be executed. Whenever you stop the program, then this will be actually be displayed. Whenever you just close and you destroy the program, then immediately the final will be actually be done. And clearly, even though you have actually some statements, then the execution will be actually be very sequential, and that can actually be same. With this, I will be actually be concluding this part of explanation as well.